Hi everyone, welcome to the Dr. Asi Explains channel. I'm Dr. Asi, and today we are going to actually review for ISC 1058 Scientist Life Skills in the final week, which is week 15 this week, and the final project, as you know, is due this week, and then the student presentations. So you are in groups, either computer science or biology or chemistry or math, and then you will be presenting your project this week. So I'm going to go over some of the other important key points. This 15 weeks, actually, last 14 weeks of this 15 weeks, we went over. So remember, our number one goal is level up this your college success, and using three main principles that we actually learned. Well, they were growth mindset, grit, metacognition. But besides those, we also learn about using technology, goal setting, how to study, and some other related soft skills. So this class, we use two books, Mindset and Grit, but also now we have a new book that so it just came out. It's called Level Up College Success. And basically, it's about, not about just this class, but it's about research and how actually research writing and all the soft skills can actually help STEM learners. So our students are STEM students, and they actually they are either in pre-med or biology or math or computer science or IT type of majors. So our first soft skill we learned actually, and we tested it with a mindset test, is mindset or growth mindset, which is basically believing and becoming, and don't say, instead of saying I don't know, adding a yet to the end of the semester, say I don't know yet, end of the sentence, and not complaining about things, but instead finding solutions, and why something is missing, it's Monday, or is it genetics, weather, all those things, but instead actually complaining about those things, and making excuses. And we actually think like a growth mindset, a winner, and then push through the setbacks, keep trying, and never give up. Right? That's we learn about that. Never give up. Right? So, and inspired by the others, we learn about actually the successful, some successful entrepreneurs or scientists, that they never give up, and then we can learn from them and inspired by them. And then if they fail, they actually learn from their failure, and they failed many times. And then use feedback to improve, right? Because they all believe setbacks are only temporary, and not knowing yet means actually it's yet. You can still learn it, and then all life is an experiment, and either find a way, you can make a way to succeed. This is a choice, and then growth mindset teaches us that. Our number two soft skill actually is related to growth mindset, which is grit. Grit is the kind of a type of growth mindset, but has its own separate part. It's more about having a passion for long-term goals. So you have you remember we learned about goals, long-term, mid-term, and short-term goals. Long-term ones, having a passion for them, perseverance to achieve to these long-term goals. So giving your 110% strength, right? Showing grit every day, and then get results and repeat this, right? Push to the limit. Always ask, how can I, right? So grit is, you can actually, you can look at it as get ready, it's time, like grit, get ready, it's time. So it's for long-term passions, and it's an attitude that actually is ready to do your best. And as you can see, This is directly linked to growth mindset. Our third soft skill is metacognition. Very, very important one, right? So a metacognition is to learn or to know about what you know and also what you don't know, right? So awareness of understanding a topic. This is very important for actually studying and really doing really well in your academics, right? So let's look at it from the opposite direction. So if there is poor metacognition, that means there is actually not having enough confidence, have shallow understanding or misconceptions about these specific topics you're studying, and then eventually can cause making poor decisions and not doing really well in the exams. Opposite of this will be having a metacognition, not to give up actually, not to give up before you really master the material, right? So it's a higher order thinking in the Bloom's taxonomy. So metacognition is close to the top, very high order thinking skill. Okay, so you be an agent of your own learning. Okay, so novices versus experts, we see a huge difference in terms of metacognition. A novice basically immediately starts solving a problem, but an expert, calm, slows down, use metacognition skills, and spend more time at the beginning instead of jumping to the problem. More time from the beginning. That's a skill actually that college students can use to succeed in their academics. Again, failure is not something that actually we can avoid sometimes, but we can actually learn from it. The successful people who fail at first, many successful people, including Henry Ford, Walt Disney, Van Gogh, Stephen King, Jay-Z, and we've seen some other examples in the class and in our readings and in videos. So, but they didn't give up, but then they became really very successful at the end. So always remember these three major soft skills and all the other skills that we learn, including using technology, goal setting, critical thinking, how to study, handling failure, together with great growth mindset and metacognition. And best luck in your presentations this week. And thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And best of success. And see you in next video.